Hi, welcome to another video tutorial with Siemens NX 8.5. I will try to model the Userwish 2, which I did before in CATIA V5. So I need some planes. I need a datum plane with a distance 387, that's okay, but first I want to do this with 15, apply, and another one at 400, apply, and another one at 387. Okay. Then I might need two circles. You could do the circles with sketches or with curves, whatever you want. So I will go for a curve. It's an arc circle. The center point should be 0, 0, 0. Yes. It should be by radius. That's 40. And I want to select the plane. And it should be, yes, this one. But the distance should be 0. Okay, apply. Then another one, again. Center point right now is 400. It's right here. Okay. It should be by radius. Radius should be 20. And it should be a plane. Takes this plane with offset 400, that's okay. And okay. Now I can make a mesh surface. So let's go to Insert, Mesh Surface, through curves. Take this curve and that one. Change direction and delete this one, delete that one, and move this right over here. And okay. Yes. Now I will hide this. I need two helices. Insert, curve, helix, a long vector, that's okay. It's this axis system. Law type constant, radius constant, value is 50, and it's constant. No, pitch. The first I want linear one, which goes from 100 to 110. It should have 4 turns. Okay. I will move this object. So let's go to Move Object. Distance, that's the object specify vector. The vector should be this one. It should be moved 10 millimeters and okay. Yes. And I need another one. Another helix. Again along a vector. Axis system should be the original one, and value should be constant. This value should be constant as well. It should be 100 and yes. So now I got these two helices. That's okay. Yeah. Now I need a line. You could do this again with sketch or just with insert curve line. Start option should be a point. It should be this point. Support plane should be this plane, and you should have an angle to this axis. Okay, let's take a look. I need an angle. I think 75. That's the wrong one, so it's 165. Nope. 1245. That's more like it. 255. Okay, that should do it. Yes. And it should maybe be 35 in length. And okay. And another line which should start right here. Yes. The plane should be, select plane, again this one, yes, and it should have an angle to this axis, and this might be 205. Or 195. Well, that's more like it. Okay, again 30 and okay. Now we'll make two swept, insert swept. That's the section. That's the curve, and it should be at the end of guides, and alignment is okay. Orientation should be vector direction, and that's this direction. Yes, looks nice. Apply. And another one, it's this profile, the section. Said spring already over here, that's odd, so we'll cancel it. Sometimes it's a little bit odd, so go for swept. Take this curve as section, select this one as guide. End of guides is okay, and vector direction is again the same. And the vector is this one. Okay. Looks okay. And I need another line starting at this point. So I go for insert, curve, line. So should start at this point. Yes, that's the point. And it should go along this one, and the length might be 30. Okay, and again another swept. That's the section, and this again is the helix. Let's take a look. There should be again this one. Yes. Okay. Then I have to trim it. So I will go for insert, trim, trimmed sheet. And I want to trim this sheet on that object. Span of helix, yes. Let's take a look. Yep, okay. Now I could sew these together. So I go insert, combine, sew this face, that face, and that surface. Okay, so now it's one. I might hide these. Yeah, and I might hide the arcs as well. Then I may where is it? Show this. Okay. Now and this one should be a sheet, not a solid. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Now I want to cut off some elements. So insert, trim sheet. I want to trim this. No. I think I have to extrapolate it. So I will extend this one. No. Oh, let's extend it. Make it sure. Insert, trim, and extend. So this edge, and that's the face. By distance. Yeah, that's okay. Just to make sure it works. Yeah. Okay, now let's trim it. Trim this one. Hereby. Apply. Trim this one. Again. Hereby. Okay. And this one by that one, apply and trim this one by that one again. Okay, looks good. Now I have to check, yeah. Again, trim sheet, trim this one with that one. And apply. Looks good. And now trim this one with the complete one. That's the Sue. And so that's no good. So move this plane a little bit. Make it, let's say, 380. And okay. And yeah, that's okay. And now trim that one. Nope, it works right now. Let's take a look with the suit once. And okay. So there's still, yeah. So it seems this line is too short. Yeah. Cancel this and go to line. What's this line? So make both these lines longer. And this one as well. So hopefully the problems should be solved right now. Check it out. Trim this one with that one. Okay, now it worked. Great. Yes, that's okay. Now sew them together. So combine, sew this and that. Okay, so it's one surface. And now I have to close the gaps. Let's take a look. Insert what we got. I think it's a bounded plane that should work. Yes. So select this curve, that curve, this one and that one. And okay. And same on the other side. Again, not studio but bounded plane. So it's this curve, that edge, and this edge, and okay. So now it's closed. I could hide the planes. Okay. Yes. Yeah. That's okay. We'll undo this one. Okay. Now I could sew them together. Insert, combine, sew this one with that one and that one, and okay. So now it's one surface. Okay, and I'm done. So I will try to do this again in another program. See you next time. Bye bye.